Raphael Signs, a specialist in designing, printing, signage, all vehicle branding, 3D signage and window branding, indoor and outdoor signs. For all your banner designs and print, contact us for a free quotation on the numbers on your screen, or email or visit us at 91 Livingstone, Corner 8th Street in Harare. Raphael Signs, our portfolio speaks for itself.
Welcome to Ideal Pavers, where we offer a wide range of landscaping bricks, including Big Hexagon, Domestic Interlock, Domestic Dogbone, Industrial Interlock, and Cement Bricks. For more info, contact us on our numbers provided or visit our offices today. Welcome to ID.
Thank you so much for joining us live here on Sly Media TV. The program is called Ngati Dzifambirei. Ine zita ndinonze simbiye basa ka Silvester tapfumane. Chirongwa chatinokuunzirai pano pa Sly Media TV. Chirongwa chakaonekwa ne Sly Media team kuti ngati chiite mazuvese takamake tichita muswe chipiri ne muswe china wega asi zvakanzizo kana paine nyaya dziri kupisa ngati chirove kana mazuva ese tikati aiwa zvido zvenyu kunyanya ngati zviite kana kuti Sly Media TV is there to continuously build bridges within its community in Zimbabwe. Nasu unota kudaidzai kuti tizopinda mudare re chirongwa chino ngati dzifambire chirongwa chatinoshuvira kuti imimi vateereri ve Sly Media TV tikupei mukana wokuti mutipewo pfungwa dzenyu marenge nenyaya yatinenge tichikurukura musi iwoyo. Nasu uno tatizo tipinde mudare muchirongwa chino ngati dzifambire tikurukure nenyaya yema audios ari kuita rounds anofungidzirwa kuti ari kubva kuna se Wicknell Chivhayo. Vazhinji vanomuziva nenyaya yekupa vayimbi motikari nevamwe maactors nevamwewo vakasiyana siyana. Nekudaro nhasi uno toda kuti tinzwe kuti zviri kufamba wani nekuti maaudios akonzera muzekezeke mu youth league yeZANU-PF pamwechetewo nekutaura kurungoitwa mucommunity. Vanhu vasi kunatsoziva kuti chokwadi ndechipi, asi nhasi uno tati tigona kunge tichikurukura nyaya iyoyo. Kuti tikurukure nyaya iyoyo tina Deputy National Political Commissar vanovevo Taurai anti-Gakanje Kandishaya. Regai ndiva chingamidze muchirongwa. Comrade makadi sebere yenyu pamaiki kuti munatsonzikwa ndo podcast wacho.
Makadi veSly Media, makadi vateereri nevatariri.
Tinotenda zvikuru kwazvo. Tinoda kutenda ine kutenda kuuya ku Sly Media TV after a short invitation which came to yourself yesterday, and you are here with us today. Thank you so much.
You are most welcome.
Right. The reason why we have called you to this conversation is the Youth League came with a press statement on the 12th of June, which says Youth League press statement on Mr. Wicknell Chivhayo's abuse on the name of His Excellency, the President, Comrade Emerson Mnangagwa. And your first paragraph on the press statement says, the Youth League has noted with serious concern the malicious, unfounded and scandalous utterances by Mr. Wicknell Chivhayo, widely circulated in the social media. His mischievous claims, purporting to be very close to His Excellency the President, Comrade Emerson Mnangagwa, are unfortunate and regrettable. My first question to you, Comrade, are that why do you think it's Wicknell Chivhayo in these audios that are doing rounds on social media?
Thank you so much for the question. We issued a press statement as the ZANU-PF Youth League, calling to order the so-called SE, his real name is Wicknell Chivhayo, for the leaked audios, alleged leaked audios. We don't know who leaked them, maybe it's him. And we are very much convinced that it is him. Remember, we are youth, we are young persons, we are also techno-savvy. In fact, in our youth league, from the branch level to the national level, we have a position of the Secretary for Science and Technology.
Okay.
Why I'm saying this, I just want to put you in light that we are young people. We know what's fake. We know what's original.
Okay.
And when he said the audio was, AI manufactured, you agree with me that WhatsApp is what is called end-to-end encryption.
Encryption.
Yeah. Yeah. So nobody can break into WhatsApp.
Right.
If you want to produce an AI voice, it means the original voice first. Then you imitate on the voice. It's technological. I can spend the whole day explaining to you what it takes to produce a voice audio. That's why I think one person from the opposition even said, AI will never say G. If you have ever listened to the voices that are AI produced, even a concept, even a writing, even a good morning message to your wife, if you take it from AI, and if she's techno-savvy, she can tell that e message vasi baba mutsava inyorai vagadzirwa AI. So we cannot be fooled into believing that the message was done through AI. Up unless he comes forward, because now it's not the animal. Basarake kuschenesa. You must break it down. If it's AI,
which he has done through
he hasn't done anything. Page. He has just said things that it's AI. But you must take me to the task of saying prove good AI by actually engaging those people in America. Those people wanokwanisa kuzviprova kuti AI vombotigadzirira rimwe voice rake robuda.
Okay.
From that point, we agree with it's AI.
Okay, that's Taurai anti-Gakanje for you, and his name is Kandishaya. And where does anti-Gakanje come from? You know
a crab?
Yeah.
And you know how it works? It works by the side.
Sideways, yeah.
It's not straight.
Okay.
Yeah, so I'm an individual who is against that behavior of walking by the side. I encourage people to be straight. Also, that's where the anti-Gakanje comes from. Why did you come up with this in particular? I did not come up with that one. It's the people who came up with it, and I didn't ask them further. They just explained it to me that a crab, when it's teaching its kids kuti ngatifambei, at times hanzonoona kuti ona richiruma vana kuti kose fambai straight, rapedza robva rati fambai sezvo ndiri kuita. Yeah. Okay. We just wanted to get to know why you are called anti-Gakanje. There you are. Viewers, I must also say to you, I invited through the phone number that I have an invitation to say Wicknell to come and answer these allegations that it is his voice that is doing rounds. Unfortunately, I didn't get a reply, and this I did at the same time when I approached my comrade Kandishaya, who responded quickly and also accepted our invitation to come and speak with us here. We've got our own phone number, which is here. If you say Wicknell is listening, we can also still have a conversation with him by him calling us through the numbers that we will put on our screen, and also on my own personal number, which is 00263 773 761 800. If say Wicknell is listening, he can also come to the platform via a phone call, which we can then balance this conversation, which was our wish in the first place, to have him defend himself. For the benefit of those that did not have a chance to listen to the voices which were doing rounds on WhatsApp, we want to take this opportunity to listen to the two voices that we have in the studio. Our technical team can play the audios.
Good morning, members. South Africa has received the money, and they said that they want to start off with payments for the 1 million to Better Brands, which is what we had signed the contract for. Then after the holiday, we've been able to engage them because we had agreed to top 7 days. Marisa Zovanetsa ne money laundering aid to tivate as if varukumanya stere kuda kubudisa mare. So for Easter purposes ndaisa pressure tashama tisre 1 million edi at least timbotanga kumanya. So as agreed, score total at 350 inini 150, Mike 150, Mpofu 150, then Moms were to up 100, DG to up 100 to make a total of 1 million. And 150 by 4 is 600. Then Scott 200 yake to make 800. To work as 30. Scott takes 350. Posara 650. 650. Moms on oil 100. Posara 450. 450 to split 33. 150. Saka mari yese ikaenda 18 million rands account kwa Scott. It's a new account yakavhura last month. No freeze go FNB go. So can you send me my bank account yenyu? Mpofu yake, Mike yake, timboti dzitwe mwakusena naye dzodzo ma 150 wayo ndisiro yangu. Then the rest we talk next week. Yeah, okay. Can that please send them as soon as possible? Thank you. Asida involvement yano akawanda panyaya impofu. I'm very disappointed. Une dzungu rimwe risingaite. Ana Chief Jose wakunoudza, hey mumwe wako akadai, hey chino nechino, hey. Chief Jose is my best friend from 1992. Ungandidaro shosho kuenda kunoshanda nana Mpofu ndiripo stuck zvandakaita izvi ndikuzoti vanhu vakandikanya panyaya yembudzi vada kuti vari kundithreatena woenda kunoshanda nana Mpofu. I told you let's do this privately, but you are going all over the show saying all sorts of things, all sorts of threats. Hazvipere mushe hatizimboziva kuti simba racho raona rabva rawanda sterek sei. And to be honest, even zvese zvemakambani ako zveprinting zvese, to be honest, I'm not even interested. I want us to finish this next week, topedza, then we shake hands. Because this is pointless. I'm saying we are teaching Shamari. I have an opportunity. Now, if you go to the matende, I go waita zvematende. Mokoto mukontrolo iko moito mari munhu zoti yoti chakwa yakati. Ningapindire zvamuri kuita nema partners enyu amuri kuita ikoko. But then you are causing a big mess. Unosingana kuti kubroka kana kuti chikuru kupa that excitement kana kuti disrespect. I don't understand. 2 minutes wafona pa. 2 minutes wadai, 2 minutes wadai. Why are you involving an agency? Wapinda papi? Why can't you be calm, Sakamarada? Anyone? I'm just disappointed. And sorry to say, I do. I'm no longer interested. Because it's not worth my while. Every 2 minutes, hey, Shamar. I don't work with people who threaten me. Doshanda ne love. Tichuone facts. I prefer improve your argument. Don't raise your voice at me and this monoko. Improve your argument. Taurama facts. Say apa ye mutara chokwadi, but no point yangu de ine. Apa I already say this is mutara chokwadi. Tachikumburo mkadai. What do you think? What kadai? 2 minutes there, aspere mushi. I know this moon jambanja. I've lived that life and I see this moon business. I sit in boardrooms to Taurai and people shake hands. Whoever is the final say makes the decision. If people think this is the last job, they say it's still okay. Apana problem. We're still friends, It's just disappointing. Anyway, do me my banking details as fast as possible. Good morning, members. Makutomhanya meeting kuti patiri kupuwa mari apa, my expectations akwira. Mpofu akuti hatingapuwe mari 2 million US, 3 million. Ndechida kuti madhiri aya mukapuwa 100,000 US. It keeps you going. How many times have I got payments? Funga kuti my payments, this is the third one. Next week I'm getting another one, which is 5.2 million. Then kwakuchitanga mamwe zvimwe maprojects asiraya. Pane kupolice, pane immigration, pane chakawanda. Esachuya, mwanga muchingocollecta muri kudya ipension. There's no need to be greedy or to try and aim high and try. What I said is bring new work. Ndakachibata kuti dzvi. Kuti zvekufungidzira. Paenda kuItaly ndakasvika kuairport. Pandabatwa roko my son. Ndiperekeza kusvika padhoo rendege. Patafamba mured carpet ndakabatwa roko tichitaura. Saka uzana uchidai ichi. Saka kusvika padhoo. Apedza kumhoresa vanhu. Apedza kumhoresa maVPR2 kwakuzodzoka. I'll phone you when I get to Italy. Goodbye my son. Ashedzera ndege yanga yamutswa. Goodbye my son. I'll call you when I get to Italy. Vandamhoreswa. Saka ndiri mukati sandikuti take advantage of that. Don't try and eat in what I have done myself or what caused us problems in the past.
Thank you so much. Those were the voices which are alleged to have been coming from, say, Wicknell himself. These are the voices, comrade. And my question concerning the press statement which you have given is one thing that I want you to add to what you have already said is where does he name the name of our President Mnangagwa in these audios?
Oh, thank you so much. If you listen to the audios, when he is saying paanga kubuda achenda ku Italy, apedza kumoresa ma vice president, who else do you think greets the vice presidents at last besides the president? Do you think he was referring to a minister? To say when the minister had finished greeting the vice presidents, he came back to me.
In your own investigations, have there ever been a situation where this narration, if we were to reconstruct...
This is a series of events, my brother. Let me take you through the journey. I think there are quite a number of people, a lot of people who have met the president, I think including yourself. I don't even know whether you meet the president on a daily basis or not, because it's up to the president with his open door policy. The reason why people flooded these streets in 2017 marching, there is a certain leadership, quality and style that they were looking for. And when the president came in, he said, the voice of the people is the voice of God, meaning to say, he is leaving no one and no place behind. So, who does that? Whenever you meet a president, you want a picture that you parade on your social media posts. For what purpose? Each time you have access of meeting the president, each time. But the president will never say no, because it's part of his policy of saying, I am open for all. And it's a very good message. It's positive. He's one of the best presidents when it comes to interactions with the citizens. One-on-one interactions. We have seen a lot of people going there. You have seen Temba Gorimbo there. You have seen
my question.
I'm getting to your question.
Yeah.
I'm taking you through the journey.
Right.
On what led us to conclude in this manner.
Okay. All right.
Now, when an individual is taking advantage of every single opportunity that he gets of meeting the president to tell the world that I was with him today, why is it? And now we have an audio. Iri kubuditswa kana kuti ari kubuditsa ichitaura kuti ane close relationship with the leadership. And I've told you kuti pari kubvira leadership ndepe kuti who greets the vice president when he's going out, and you know the procedure. A journalist, you have been to the airport when the president arrives, when the president leaves the country. So clearly the question of saying how do you know if he was referring to the president is out of the context, given the gender that I've told you, and also the protocols when the president is leaving the country.
Yeah, we're looking at the protocols and we are inside the airport, and I am looking at a situation where maybe within the ranks of the youth we have come up with this press statement to say we are always at the airport. We have never seen Wicknell Chivhayo walking hand in hand with the president towards an airplane which is on the runway. Is there that situation?
Remember this audio has two purposes. One, kuchikisidzira business partners. Number two, to create an impression in the world that I'm the most loved of the president. So whatever he's saying in this audio, it's not meant for the good. It's a message that he's trying to send. So because business partners may also believe, as a result of the pictures that they always see of him with the president, at public places for that matter, I want to believe the business associates at one point believed also that the proximity of Wicknell Chivhayo to the president it is so special and it's something that is out of this world. Could believe it's my business. It's true that we have never seen him walking with the president at the airport. But when he was saying this, we don't know who he was telling. And I want to believe that the people who were being told this, anovaziva vanhu vake netype yelanguage yavanovhunduka, ndo pari kunopindira nyaya yekuti name dropping. Name dropping is coming on the background. Look, what we are fighting here is not one's closeness to the president, because President Mnangagwa is close to almost everybody. And there are business people in this country. There are business people in this country who I believe you have met the president several times, but without even a single picture. When you take picture with the president, mainly if I take picture with the president, I'm a national member. I've interacted with the president, officially, say national among with others. Yeah. I take my picture, for memories. You see, I was with the president. So when you get close to the president and you ask for a picture, the president will say no, will not say no, because he loves the people, because he is an open door policy, because he is proving the point to the world at large that his people loves him, and he does not discriminate against individuals. But what then you use that picture for? Communication is not what is said, but what is heard. What will people derive from that culture of sending pictures, serial pictures with the president? The president does not care about that because he's the president for all. But what's the intentions? So as the Youth League, we interrogate and investigate the intentions. And in the middle of trying to establish what are the intentions of this individual, pictures, we then come across a voice note. A voice note that completes the process that we're having of interrogating on why does he do this.
So yes. Okay, let's get into the voice note. The voice note alleges that ndakachibata kuti G chakabatwa chi it looks like toda kunzwa imimi chamuri kuti chanzi G chiri kuita kuti muzo udane press statement muzo manya muti aiwa toda ku defender president wedu chi chakabatwa cha chinganzi.
Our press statement is very clear. I think you have read the headline.
Yes.
It says that it's a press statement against name dropping of the name of the president.
Yeah.
You asked me, why do you think it's the president Wairewa? And I've told you, according to protocol, how we established that he meant the president. Okay? Number two, you asked me, do you think the voice is his? I said yes. Now, given this background, it's very clear that he was sending an impression. Remember, this is not reality on ground. This was an impression to business partners and to the world at large. To say, when you see me with the president, the pictures that I send with the president, it means that I'm in charge. It means I'm in control. Forgetting that he's not the only person who associates with the president. I also have pictures with the president, taken officially, however, because I associate with the president as a member of the National Youth League.
Right, I'm listening.
So the kuchibata kuti G is this culture, a continued culture of an unrepented individual, and this is not first time that he has tried to drag the party leadership into the mud. This is not the first time that he has tried to put the name of the party into disrepute. We know this individual, but guess what? The party gives one a long rope
to tie himself.
He will do whatever he wants with the rope.
Can you maybe reiterate on him dragging the party into disrepute, where you remember vividly that he dragged the party into the mud?
I remember the former president and the former first lady at one point called him to order when he had an access to have, I think he had lunch with the former first lady in Dubai. If you see a Zimbabwean, my brother, in Australia, Zimbabwean. But it's what the person will do with the pictorial evidence in the video. I remember at one point the former president called him to order. But well, the party will say, these are young people. One time are mistakes. We give them another chance. You are given another chance, you do the same.
Right, and we also want to hear what the other people that are watching Sly Media TV are saying. There is Kudzanai says, but why is the security team allowing these unscrupulous individuals to be close to the president?
My brother, the president is the leader, is our father. He's president for all. You get me?
Yes.
The leaving no one and no place behind is a policy that is general. You understand what the president means. He does not discriminate against individuals. I am telling you that I have pictures with the president. Ministers have pictures with the president. District members have pictures with the president. But what do you use those pictures for becomes the matter. If you get close to the president, it's not like the president wants something from you. Let me tell you this. If you believe that a picture with the president will make one a millionaire, how much is the value of the president, the owner of the identity?
No, more than that.
Yes. What am I trying to tell you here? I'm trying to tell you it's not the president who say come here. It's you who approach the president because you have an issue that you think can be solved at that level. The president will not turn you back. The president will not turn you away. So it's not like it's the president who survives by associating with us. It's us who survive by the presence of the president because he's the chief custodian of ideology. He's he's our president. He's the head of state and government.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. Let me read the statements that are coming from our comment section. There is Moses Simbanega. He says, Taurai Kandishaya. This is where the problem started. Such slogans are not in line with the party's manifesto of fighting corruption. So once we see these characters come in open telling us how they get tenders without tendering, going to the tender and seeing that the president has altered the constitution to give such characters tenders, we are not surprised. That's why he will never apologize for his name dropping. It's up to Zach, the president, to clear this mess.
The issue that these guys are addressing is not in our press statement. As the Youth League, our constitutional mandate is to be the vanguard of the party.
Is to be the vanguard of the party.
Of the party.
Yes. So,
and by being a vanguard of the party, it means that we defend the party. We defend the principle of the party. What happens to the president? Mnangagwa. How do we defend? We detect the threats and we seek to neutralize and to counter the threats. And in our view, Wicknell is one of those threats that we are now dealing against.
Are you not, you have said everyone has a right to be close to the president because he is our president.
Yes.
And you have also attributed that Wicknell has got a right to be close to the president.
Yes.
Right. The president is also known for the mantra that he is not going to leave anyone behind.
Yes.
And he's also said we should build this country together.
Yes.
Saying Nika inovakwa neve nevayo.
Yes.
Does it mean to say is the president who is building us houses and businesses, or it is us who is helping fulfill this vision to the president?
Look, the president is the visionary. He is our dimension. When you are building, you have an architectural plan first. Things on paper are then transferred on ground. So the architectural drawing of the development of this country is President Emerson Mnangagwa. We decode from his policies, we decode from his ideas, we decode from his vision, then we go on ground.
Right.
But as a citizen, if you feel like there is something that you think the president can address, that's where he has an open door policy. But my brother, when you get to the president, don't show us that you have other intentions. Let me tell you this. When Wicknell was taking pictures with the president, it sounds like he is reporting somewhere. You go to the president today, you have a picture. You see him the next day, you have another picture. Ndiani oruda kuratidza kuti ndichiri navo, ndiani oruda kuratidza kuti ndichiri padhuze navo, uri communicate nani? Ndiani oruudza ndiani oruda kuti abelieve kuti president ndichiri kwanisa kuvaona.
He's just a fanatic of pictures. We know we are different.
No, he's not a fanatic of pictures. That alone is not enough. Because remember, this guy has pictures with Nelson Chamisa. He has pictures with Morgan Tsvangirai. He has pictures with almost everybody who was influential in our politics. Why?
That means
he is a fence sitter. Let me take you through. I think his picture with Nelson Chamisa is recent during the election period. But as I said, it is as you know, president, because Nelson Chamisa also has a picture with President Idi Mnangagwa. The late Morgan Tsvangirai, may he so rest in peace, also had a picture with President Mnangagwa. Kama Billiard has a picture with President Mnangagwa. Specifically, why does Wicknell want to project that narrative of saying I'm too close to the president through the pictorial evidence? What is he aiming to achieve? We are not against Wicknell being close to the president. Because as I have told you, the president is close to almost everybody. That's why people in Uzumba voted him. It means people from Uzumba have a one-on-one interaction with the president. People from Changadzi have one-on-one interaction with the president. That's why they voted him. That's why they're able to identify him on the ballot paper. This is our person.
The president has said
Yes.
Wicknell included. And Wicknell
Let's not specify Wicknell.
He's a citizen. You qualified him as a citizen.
You just say whenever Tisu are citizens.
Right.
Without being specific.
No, I want to qualify my statement.
Okay.
Anyone who is close to the president has got a right to support his vision. Do we agree?
Yes.
After the elections, the president has won the elections, right? And there is Wicknell, a son in Zimbabwe who is supporting the vision of the president, and he goes buying gifts. He goes buying gifts to support and appreciate the people who have supported the president during the campaign.
That does not make him outstanding. Let me tell you, my brother, if you are to go out there, you count 9 vehicles. The 10th vehicle is ZANU-PF branded, not bought by Wicknell Chivhayo. There are several other people who are doing wonders because our party is not foreign funded. Let me tell you this. During the liberation struggle, there is what was called the fish and water relationships. The comrades at the front were supported in Nevabereki and Vanwangwari at the rear. You get me? So, whatever Wicknell did, what you think he did for the party, in as much as he did not do for the party but for the individuals. Remember, I'm one of those people who were given that arc. I am not the party. I am an individual. And even when he wrote on his Facebook, he did not even know me.
But you are hinged on the party.
No, I'm not hinged on the party. I'm not a supporter of the party. I am a member. Not only a member, but I mean the leadership of the party.
Yeah, but what you are hinged to the party, that's why he gave you. Wicknell gave people who supported the president during his campaign for the elections and won. He is not just giving anyone, because I was also supporting, but from a lesser point, but he acknowledged you guys that you did a tremendous job. And then my question is, and then he gave you some cars as gifts. My question now is he not allowed to support the president by giving you the aquas? And then the second question is, are you not jealous that he has managed to give everyone gifts that are above you?
What do
you that above your level?
What do you think will make? Do you think you'll get to any position by giving gifts?
No,
if you talk about
I don't know about that, but he also said on the national radio, which is Capital, he said, I'm not interested in party politics. And
can I also say youth league hita godona Wicknell? Godona nderunenge riri kuti zvaapa vanhu maako achazowana chi? Because I've told you. Have you ever been to ZANU-PF HQ?
Yeah, I've been there.
The building has 15 floors. I am a surveyor by profession, a land surveyor. Right. If I tell you the cost of erecting that ZANU-PF building before Wicknell, I think he was at school back then. If I ask you how much you are paying rent in this room, you can tell me that you are paying maybe $1,000 per month. And there are more than 1,000 rooms at ZANU-PF HQ. I want to show you the value of ZANU-PF if you were to quantify it. You get what I mean? During the campaigns, we had GD6, Navara, Ford Rangers at the party. And you know Wicknell very well. If it was Wicknell, we had bought those cars, they are posted up on Facebook. So automatically it's not.
So these came from other members.
I don't know where they came from. I'm saying Wicknell did not buy those cars. It's the party that bought the cars. You get what I mean? And we are talking of more than 500 vehicles. Izvezvi ukabuda ukapinda muna Samora umo, izvezvi tikabuda tikasiya interview iri panapa, tikasvika pana Samora tinoona a ZANU-PF branded vehicle. Tikadzoka tikaenda the other direction tinoona tikaenda Mondaro mune ZANU-PF branded vehicle. Zvandiri kureva ndezvekuti hakuna munhu anorambidzwa kuasociata neparty because ZANU-PF ihomwe inokwana munhu wese. Zvaunozoita wapinda muhomwe ndozoita kuti ubuditswe. Kana wapinda muhomwe unogara zvakanaka. We are talking of the name of the president. Let me tell you one thing, my brother. President Emerson Mnangagwa is a generous man. And he's clean and clear. His vision is to develop nyika ino haina kuvigwa iri pachena. And munhu wese anofila kuti ane input, anokokwa kuti uya utaure zvaunokwanisa. But let me tell you, he has been a politician, I think, for more than 60 years of his life. And remember, he is the only surviving member of the first ZANU-PF Politburo. He sat in the first ZANU-PF Politburo meeting before independence as a full Politburo member. He's the only surviving. What does that mean? He is not a man to joke around with. He is not a man to play around with. When you associate with him, you associate with greatness. Don't overvalue yourself.
Okay.
Humble yourself when such a great man gives you an opportunity. And by the way, I remember it's on public record when the president was arrested during the liberation struggle. I read. He said, vakanga vakagara mumba. Momo wavo kwaifidzi. Vakatengeswa nevamwe vavo. This is in the history. Vakatengeswa nevamwe vavo vakasungwa. But tell you what, today is the president of the Republic of Zimbabwe. Vakavatengesa vari kupi. So ndoda kukuudza pakuti hakuna munhu anogona kuita close to that man uine nefarious agenda ikasa exposeka. Hence patazosvika na Wicknell Chivhayo. He is open for all. Anyway, God protects a generous man because people takes advantage of his innocence. Remember that.
Right. Yes. Right. We also want to hear what the my viewers are thinking about this conversation. Moses Mnangagwa comes back again. I totally blame you, Kandishaya, as the youth. This character was once named as mastermind of money changers by ZANU-PF youth of Kudzai Chipanga and Tsenengam. Those people were instead suspended from the party. He had lunch with the former first lady. He name dropped. Then came Second Republic, which knows his character. You allow him to be close to the president. What image does it bring to the country and those who genuinely want to have business? You are one of the people I admire. You do your things quietly, as I call you Mr. Mbudzi. You know this character?
Yes, I know.
Yeah. Your money is clean as people in the highest decision-making body of the party. We are demanding that for the sake of Zimbabwe and its prosperity, protect the high office by having a president surrounded by people with a high moral respect.
Mbava ibatwi isibatwi ndashamwari.
Geographically, papa.
Ndati mbava ibatwi isibatwi ndashamwari.
Okay.
Kana mangwana inini ndikamuka ndashata. People must not be hesitant to call me to order. I'm a beneficiary of that aqua. Huh?
Yes.
But I'm here telling Wicknell Chivhayo to stop it and to shut up.
Are you going to return his aqua because now you are no longer good buddies?
Does he want it back?
I'm not sure.
Because I didn't go there kunaitora ndega ndiye akatiotore. If he wants it back, anongodzoka nayo.
It's the registration is your name? Is in your name?
Yes, it is. But if he says bring it back, I can bring it back. The same way akandiyotora ndakunotora ndega.
Right. This guy is asking you, the vanguard of the party, why do you allow such people to be around the president?
We cannot stop people from associating with their president. Hatisi Youth League chete yakavotera President Mnangagwa. President Mnangagwa was voted for by many people vatisingazive isu. He was also elected by people who never came to rallies. He was also elected by individuals from the white community, from the Indian community, from all those communities. So you cannot then go and say, don't associate with the president. The issue here, my brother, is not why Wicknell was associating with the president. It's what he did after associating with the president. Inini pandiri panapa ndikapedza interview ne usina kunditsiura kuti ndisazoite misuse and abuse the name of the president and to put the party name into disrepute andidzoke futi pano. Inini ndisati ndabva panapa. You must remind me not to abuse my association with the party ZANU-PF, because this is a people's party. There are people in ZANU-PF who were born, bred in ZANU-PF. We are now, we have never gotten so close to the president. Kuna vanhu vakarwira nyika inoi vasina kumbobvira vakaita national members sezvandiri vari kwamurewa vakagara kumushawo. So if I am elected to be a national member, I cannot go and brag to them, taking them as if that they do not think because I want to be national members. The party is for the people. The ideology, our press statement is addressing the ideological stance of the party. What does the party say? The conduct of individuals when you associate yourself with the leadership is what I'm telling you. You have your pictures with the president. What are you going to use them? Do you think, I've asked you, how much value do you think the president has? If his identity, journalist associate na president, a millionaire, so how much is the value of the president? But if you go to him, he does not say andidu kuona. But zvaunozoita wapedza kumuona ndo zvatiri kuadresa. And look at the time inonobuda audio. Takatarisana ne chairmanship ya president yekuta chairman weSADC yese. That's why I'm saying we may think it's other people who leaked the video, but the other sense may say it's him who leaked the video also. He knows better. Whenever you try to expose the president, your intention is to weaken the president.
The president has also given his company a go-ahead to supply and give us, as a nation, the Starlink.
The president does not pass tenders. The president does not give companies. The agreement for the Starlink, if it's true, is between allegedly his company and Starlink. Where does the president come in? Private to private. There is no public-private partnership here. It's private to private. Where does the president come in? But what you are saying, I understand you. You are now confirming what you hear in the streets, that whenever Wicknell Chivhayo wins a tender, not forgetting that he's not the only person in this country who wins tenders, he makes you people in the streets believe that is the president who have given him the tender. It's not the president. That is name dropping that we are discussing about. The fact that you are fully convinced that it is the president who gave Wicknell Chivhayo the tender, when the president is not anywhere near granting tenders. That is the Wicknell Chivhayo cyclone that we are fighting today. The name dropping, creation of an impression that is so wrong.
Okay, the president also has a choice or to value contribution that comes from the individuals within the party, and or also individuals who are not in the party. Someone can just come and maybe donate something to the president, maybe as part of his vision. And is there anything that deters Wicknell Chivhayo not to be involved in any businesses?
Look, my brother,
in Zimbabwe.
We are not discussing the president here.
No, we are not discussing. But
we are discussing the attitude, the destructive behavior of Wicknell Chivhayo, the intentions of Wicknell to try and weaken the institution that is called President Emerson Mnangagwa. That is what we are discussing. We don't care who associates with who. At this point in time.
We have seen him on different platforms where he also donated money to the church. The president was there at the trade fair. He was close to the president.
Listen, he's not the only one who has donated things. The fact that when he donates, he makes you guys believe that he's doing it in the name of the president, or he's doing it for the president, or he's doing it on behalf of the president, is what we call name dropping. The fact that when he donates, we had Cyclone died. You know Cyclone died?
Yes. I went to Chimani there.
Was Wicknell Chivhayo there?
No, he wasn't there.
Didn't you see the rescue missions? Go to Facebook, Cyclone died. We had COVID-19. You know COVID-19. We received, takatenga mishonga ku China, takatenga mishonga ku Namibia, imwe tikabatsira ku Russia, I mean not Namibia takatozoipa. Imwe mishonga tikabatsira tatenga imwe, China ikatipa imwe, tatenga imwe, Russia ikatipa. This is the president now. Look at the level of donations that goes direct to the president. Recently we received fertilizer and wheat from Russia. Those are the presidential donations. Then you say the president is given Kandishaya. How much is an aqua, by the way?
You tell us.
In total, I have 75 goats. Each of my goats costs $500. I can buy those things. Even for my young brother. That's why I'm not even driving it. Not because it's a bad car. Not because I need, but because I drive aqua. Ndakupo wafana ndapiwo Chivayo ati basa rutwa na president rakanaka. Saka ati basa rakanaka ati arumbidze nini pamusoro pebasa remukuru wenyika. Saka zvinoreve nyika yanditenda bataine papo. Chatiri kurwa nacho, my brother. Ngandidzokorodze. Hatisi kurwa nekuti munhu atorwe picture na president. Chinonzi name dropping, kushandisa zita ramambo. President ndi mambo. Unozondora president ndi mambo. I remember very well the other time, when you get close to leaders, know how to handle yourself. Kana uchidziya moto usagare kure unotonorwa. Ukaswedera padhuze unotsva. You need to be moderate. Urikuzwa zvanda. Wazondora. Ngari kana uchidziya moto.
Manyanduri manje comrades.
Moto. Ndikudza from an ideological standpoint. President ndi mambo. Kana wasangana navo, if you are clean, you will prosper. If you are not clean, you get exposed. I remember this at the time as the members of the youth league, when we met the president. After that, the other guy was saying to me, president. I told him, no, why? Because in ideological ground, you know that mamba watariswe kumeso. Mamba watariswe maziso. So when you associate with the president, we have the guts of looking straight into the eyes of the president. You take a picture, you go on social media, you publish it, sending an impression that you are in control, you are the most loved one. Maybe we fought for 1 million, 1 vote. Voter 1 vote. Not to create an impression 1 million votes. And you also want to create a personality in the president. You could weaken his authority and his influence. That will never happen, by the way. But this is what we are standing against.
This is what you are standing against. Let me read one Samuel Danisa Mpofu says the interview was supposed to be held when Chivhayo is present. He should be interviewed, and we want to know why. Yes, when we started this program, I said we sent an invitation to Wicknell Chivhayo, and he did not respond to our invitation. And when I started this program, I also said if Wicknell Chivhayo is listening, he can also call us on the number that I gave you earlier on, which can be put on our screen, so that he can also qualify his statements. And I can also take this opportunity to say that Wicknell Chivhayo is also posted on his official Facebook page, where he refuted the allegations that are being alleged against him. And on paragraph 2, he says, the content and character of the alleged voice messages is however consistent with a sustained attack on my character and standing as a businessman by two excitable individuals who are recently made outrageous demands for certain payments from me without any legal or contractual basis of doing so. These two failed, struggling briefcase businessmen, Mike Chimombe and Moses Mpofu, are merely overzealous extortionists and fraudsters who solely rely on opportunistic delinquents as means of survival. In their demands for payments, we indeed genuine. The Jew should have approached the courts of law for redress. So he also says, I'll just read this before you come in. No amount of intimidation, coercion, or duress will ever result in the unlawful making of payments. So that is not true. And I can also confirm that the Chronicle has also written a story which says Zach is also going to call in Wicknell Chivhayo, Moses Mpofu, Mike Chimombe,
my brother,
so that they can
before you go any further.
Yeah.
We are discussing about the press statement that was issued by SlyMedia Tv, okay?
Yes, that's very true. I'm answering to a follower.
Let me say something here.
Yes.
Point number 7 and point number 8. Wicknell Chivhayo was now apologizing. What was he apologizing for? If the audio is fake, the statement should say the audio is fake, it's AI generated, full stop. Then why would you go on to apologize?
Yes, he says, I hereby express my deep regret and profound apology to the esteemed office of the
What is the purpose of regretting things that are fake? Look, my brother, let me ask you this. I come here in this office, okay?
He qualifies what you are saying. He says, public official, that these fake voice messages is there, line number 3 on point number 7.
Ndoba microphone ndenda nayo ndoti ndiwaba then kana ndati ini ndiwaba iwe pa unouya ukavunzwa ndiwaba ero unoti chi
andisiri ndaba.
What's there to regret it, papa?
Akuti no mukuru masvibiswa zita renyu
newe uri kupinda papi?
Aiwa nevamwe vanhu
uri kupinda papi saka?
Zvangofanira zvamuri kuita, you are coming here and defending as vanguard of the party kuti president vauya panapa asimi ndima we.
No, look, the president does not need to come here.
Yes.
That our constitutional mandate is to be the vanguard of the party. This is constitutional.
Yes.
What I'm doing here is a constitutional duty of a member of the youth league in ZANU-PF. Then why was he regretting on paragraph 8 if the audio was fake?
All right. He also says, Samuel has also given me has also sent another message. He says, Amen. Dzia moto nemazvo. Comrade Kandishaya imboma. The reason why Chivhayo is not there, he knows he is wrong. Wicknell knows his weaknesses and that he is a problem. And then Pelagia Mukora says, well done SlyMedia TV, good work, keep going Mukoma. Mukoma vaita godo asi pakarepo murukutoti dai ndirini ndiri kupa vanhu mota Chivhayo ari kukumbira here iwe regerero omutungamiriri mave kunyara zvakavanzika zvamunenge muchiita mukati umu. Ndi Pelagia Mukoro ari kuti mune godo nekuti Wicknell akapa vanhu vazhinji motikari hamuna.
Ndingaite godo rekuti akapa munhu motikari reko ndinofana kuita godo rekuti ndinofana kuwana motikari dzakawanda. Does that make sense? Kuti ini ndoita godo rekuti apire vanhu mota. Dai ari kuti ndakaita godo rekuti akapa vanhu vakawanda dai akapa indiri one zvaimeka sense. Zvatora zvimeke sense. Hakuna munhu my brother ungaite godo here rekuti munhu apire munhu chini.
Ndo zvaati kutaura Pelagia.
Ndikuedza kuti zvimeke sense. Hapana chaari kutaurawo. Ndati nini chatavinga pano zvaari kutotaura zvekuti president akumbira president ruregerero ari toconfirma kuti Wicknell Chivhayo dropped the president, and thanks Pelagia for doing that. She is confirming. I think she has proximity to him and she knows what she is saying. Ndo zvatiri kuramba kuti kana waswedera pana mambo haikona kufarisa, haikona kudzirwa. President ndeve munhu wese, but haikona kutraya kuwike. Inini my deepest thinking, something which is not in the press statement. And as the Youth League, we shall continue interrogating why. We know that is a counter-revolutionary. That's what we have established so far. If you are associated with the president, use that influence to grow the country, to develop the country, and to grow the party bigger. My position in the party must not intimidate you. It must make you love the party. You should be attracted to the party by what I do and how I conduct myself. Imagine if the potential investor in Italy achinzwa kuti kuna businessmen ari kuZimbabwe ari kutaura kuti ndinokontrola president and asingabhadhire vanhu mari dzavo because ane mapictures na president. However, genuine business persons will never be deterred. That's why nyika iri kuvakwa close to where I am here. It's Afreximbank regional office. 14 countries will be reporting to Afreximbank Zimbabwe. It means development is going forward. Chatisingadei over excitement ndo yatiri kuramba kuti waunenge uchida kuita afemu confirm aubatsire president. One thing about
vision, aubatsira president pa vision.
You don't assist the president because it's not the president who will benefit. Let me tell you this. You will never see the president drawing water from Marowanyat Dam to irrigate his farm.
Meaning?
Marowanyat Dam will save the communities of Bowera. So when you join the train of development of Zimbabwe, you are not helping the president, you are helping yourself. The goodness of this country is not the president who enjoy the benefits. If anything, I want to tell you this. I don't think the president, you know, our president does not rest. He works day and night. He is one person who is not enjoying the goodness of this country. Why? Because he's the author and the originator. That's why you don't in Bible, amuna chapter inonzi God, inonzi Mwari. There are other people who were writing. Why? Because it is God who was breathing the spirit in those people who vaizonyora Bible racho. Ndikutaura kuti president vakavaka road nhasi vakaifamba havati road yakapenga because he knows the cost. Iwo ndondochifamba muroad kuti road yanaka because you don't know the cost and the hassle yavakaita go through kuti varaise mari yekuvaka road iyoyo. So you don't help the president, you help yourself. You are doing it for the country.
You don't help the president, you're doing it for yourself. Yes. We'll take a short commercial break and then we'll come and hear what he thinks those that are name dropping the name of the president should happen to them.
Pavers, where we offer a wide range of landscaping bricks, including big hexagon, domestic interlock, domestic dog bone, industrial interlock, and cement bricks. For more info, contact us on our numbers provided or visit our offices today.
Raphael Signs, a specialist in designing, printing, signage, all vehicle branding, 3D signage and window branding, indoor and outdoor signs. For all your banner designs and print, contact us for a free quotation on the numbers on your screen, or email or visit us at 91 Livingstone, Corner 8th Street in Harare. Raphael Signs, our portfolio speaks for itself.
Comrade Kandishaya tinavo Deputy National Political Commissar tinavo mu studio takavabata kuti G Anti-Gakanje as a youth, as the vanguard of the party, what is your wish and warning to the people that name drop the name of President Comrade Idi Mnangagwa?
Before I respond to that one, let me tell you something. Every straightforward thinking Zimbabwean at this moment must be condemning Wicknell Chivhayo. From the rank and file of ZANU-PF, everybody must be condemning what he did. That's being custodians of the revolution. I understand one person was telling me, and I must send this message loud and clear to the youths of ZANU-PF, to the beneficiaries of the vehicle scheme and the potential beneficiaries, those who were promised. We defend the party, we defend the president. We don't take instructions from outsiders or from the business community. When it comes to the issues of the party, we stand with the president. If there is anyone who is supposed to speak against Wicknell Chivhayo, who is not speaking against him right now, if there is anybody, any arm or department that is supposed to condemn the behavior that was done by Wicknell Chivhayo, and those people are not doing it deliberately, if you allow Baba and you keep quiet, and you see as times goes on, if you fail to defend the superior leader, the supreme leader, if you fail to defend the father, you are next. Now, to name droppers, it's very simple.
Is it the only one, as you give us that statement?
As I'm speaking right now, I'm addressing Wicknell Chivhayo. I'm addressing those other people vanema audio asata alika. I'm addressing vasinama audio vanotyisidzira vanhu in the streets. I'm addressing vanhu vanopinda pamatogate vasina kubhadhara vachiti because tiri vanhu veZANU-PF. I'm addressing vanhu vanobranda ma-private vehicles avo kuti ZANU-PF so that vanotakura mbudzi dzisina clearance kana mombe dzisina clearance maroti ndo vanotaura nezvavo panapa. Ndiri kuadresa vanhu vanoti vakamiswa nemapurisa voti tiri mashefu.
Takupa imukana, Comrade Taurai.
Name dropping is bad for the development of our country. Bad thing about name dropping, it comes back to you. Politics muna aperere pasi mukoma, unoperera mudenga. Nokuti chinonzi kudona kuroti uri pakakwirira. You need to self-introspect. Imwe pesi yauri kufamba nayo, uchifunga kuti uri kugather influence in the party, iri kukuisa kupi. Kana wakamboputisa popcorn. When the popcorn is flying from pan to fire, it goes up. And at one point, other popcorns in the pan will say, Afamba mkoman. But the next thing you find it down. Time up for name droppers. President said it. That's why, when the president speaks, it becomes a command, because it's the commander in chief. When the president speaks, it becomes an instruction. That's why wakuona pakuita malikeges esa. Chivunza kuti vangani vakatyisidzirwa na Wicknell Chivhayo vasina mama audio. We are not against individuals going to the president. What we are against of is this is the collective statement from the Youth League. Yes. Is when you name drop, you try kuchikisidzira vanhu because unofunga kuti ndiwo close to the president. There are several other business people in this country, dignified business people for that matter, when we have never been committed even of sexual harassment, who are associated with the president. But they don't send that negative narrative. After meeting the president, you hear them saying, the president is a good man. We have had a meeting with the president. We resolved this. We discussed this. This is what a straightforward thinking Zimbabwean must do, not to take advantage of the generosity of the president. His accessibility is meant to develop you as an individual, career-wise. I'm talking of a man who has more than 60 years in politics. If you associate with him, even before he says anything, I want to believe that you learn a lot from him. So when you get close to him, go out there, tell people, when the president says his door is open, indeed it is open because I was with him. You cannot personalize an institution. You cannot personalize the president. He is too big for that. Recently, he was in Russia. In Africa, the total number of countries in Africa is what, 54?
Yeah.
The world leader, President Vladimir Vladimirovich Putin, invited one person from Africa, President Emerson Mnangagwa. Are you not afraid when you say, wakabata president, the only person who is invited by Putin to Russia? What do you think other president? I assume other president were calling and one individual. And asina kana modicum, asina integrity, asina dignity for that. I don't even doubt if he's a member of the ZANU-PF party, but we don't care because the president is the president for all. That's why you saw Brian Muteki, we are now working with him. That's why you saw Nawana Maduku, Wachenda State House was the president of Munwese. That's why he visited the late Morgan Tsvangirai when he was ill. It is what you do after meeting the president that we condemn.
What should be done to those people who have already done the name dropping of the president?
This is
and what does the code of conduct say for the youth?
What we do as Youth League, if you are a member of the party, we excommunicate you from our ranks. If you are a member of the Youth League, if you are in the structures, it's very clear. If you seek to undermine the authority of the president, we excommunicate you. You're expelled. Or even suspended, and we recommend you to go to Chitepo School of Ideology so that you learn through the ropes. And we sit down and interrogate how you became a member of the Youth League. How did you become a national leader? Were you in the cell, the branch, the district? At times you discover that munaka jamba maranks, akasungwereka na apari, tosmusa tinotedzokera like zvakaita wana Sevia akasukwere. But now, kana usiri member yedu ye party,
I was going to ask that question.
Waita izvozvo. Isu se ZANU-PF Youth League as the vanguard of the party, tino communicate the correct position of what we do, so that the people in Somalia will know the position of the party against the bad behavior of an individual. The people in Kazakhstan, when they read our statement, they know that Wicknell Chivhayo did this, but the position of the party is this. The people in Trinidad and Tobago are now fully aware that what Wicknell Chivhayo did is not in line with the ideology of the party that he claims to support or to align with. That is what we do. And the next thing, as youth, we are the vanguard of the party, my brother. We cannot allow an individual to continue associating with the party when his intentions are to destroy the party.
So if he's going to bring 5 million for during the campaign, during the campaign period, you are going to say no, your hands are dirty. You name dropped the president's name.
The Americans, under the leadership of the then President Bush, tried so much to dethrone ZANU-PF, and they injected more than 5 million to unseat ZANU-PF, jointly with the British and the entire European Union. Blair was president, Agabuda office, he left ZANU-PF in the office. Brown came, Agasia ZANU-PF in the office. You know, all those people were now Obama, were not Trump, were Nani, ambassadors are not trying to unseat ZANU-PF. Do you think ZANU-PF is saved by an amount of money that is 5 million?
Are you a party that is forgiving?
We are a people's party. We don't live out of people's pockets. We survive from our membership.
If it is true that it is his voice and he comes back and say, I apologize, I was overexcited, what's your response to that?
We cannot preempt what will happen if he come back and say, I apologize, and we don't even know could anfana apologize kunani. What we are doing for now is to condemn what he did. Okay? Zvaakaita zviri muvoice note ndo zvatakondema. Zvekuti azoapologize is the next chapter, and we will see it from there. For now, as the vanguard of the party, vanguard in the guard, isusu tiri magadi emusangano. Takamira pagedha. Kana ndikabata mbavha pagedha apa ndikauya naye kwamura, amundibvunze kuti kamuregera uchamubvumidza kupinda panapa here. Amundibvunze izvo. Inini changu chandaita ndabata, ende hakuna kwaari kuenda. Ende zvataita izvi kubata mbavha kuti izvi. Ende ticharwa nembavha iyoyo kusvika last dot zvekuti samusha vazofungei nembavha. Hatisiri zvino influenza izvozvo.
Are you going to take the law into your own hands?
No, exactly go physical. Because the party name has been put into disrepute. The president's name has been thrown to the wolves. And we are rescuing the name of the president. It doesn't mean Vanumukawasiri president because of working on it, but we are just fulfilling our constitutional mandate. Kurwa kwedu izo ndiko kuti iwewe ndichibuda muno unofana kuzvinzwisa kuti zvakaitwa na Wicknell is not the opposition of the youth. Because the next thing, somebody will say we cannot trust youth around the president because look at what Wicknell did. You see, what Wicknell did, he was not representing us. That's not the position of the youth league. It's an individual. Upright. We know what we are doing, and we love the president. We love the party. We appreciate the president for being one of the liberation war heroes who fought for the independence of this country.
I'll read the last statement and then you can come back and give your words of wisdom to the viewers concerning your position as a youth from ZANU-PF party. So Mabanga, Pelagia, unonzwisisa here how it works or unongo wawatao also kutaura kwako ndekwe kuda acquire uko. Comrade Gaganje is a national member of the Youth League. Unoda vano vakawanda mu studio here. Comrade Gaganje vaka invite to that interview after vaita press conference ye no to name dropping vaenda uko vakamirira tese sebato takawirirana tese kudaro, so he represents all of us. Ndinofunga manzwisisa maita bas. Comrade Anti-Gakanj, Taurai, Kandishaya, your last words of wisdom to the viewers that are watching right now and everybody else who does not support your party, your last words of wisdom as the Deputy National Political Commissar.
Thank you so much. You know, associating with leaders is like frying a small fish. Don't overdo it. Inotwa. Kana uchimanyisa ukwana kaniyo. Ukamanya stere kunokatsika. Ukasamanya ukabati. Ukagona kuziva kuti ndi president vani. Utungamiri hwavo unotangira papi, uchisvika papi. Iwe kana wapiwa mukana wokusangana neleadership. Song ya Japreza yakataura chiremera. I don't know kuti Japreza aimbirani. But at times you'll be tempted to believe kuti nofunga he meant the president. Chiremera chemukuru achirerutswe nekuti achife chakareruka because he was anointed and appointed. You must never at any point try to challenge the anointing of God. Leaders are placed there by God. If you remember very well, the change of name from Lucifer to Satan is when he thought Lucifer was seated under the tree. He thought one day you will be God. The first thing, I am too close to God because ndinoimba. So if you think you are the moment he thought he was too close to God, I have better policies and better ideas to build the kingdom, heavenly kingdom better than God, and he has been God, he has overstayed. In the middle of thinking, and Michael was there. Michael never said, but anga rumwedu mfeso dai mbotimbira takambomona pa rally akatipa akwa. He said ufunge you. From today I will see Lucifer wakunzi Satan varo vakandwa pass. So isusu when you tamper with the name of the president, even kana wanga watipa $10 million, because we know that it's not about the value of money, it's not about money. The president's life, the president's reputation and dignity is how do I say it? Ainam tengo. You cannot put a price tag on the dignity of a national leader. He is the man who is presiding over the diamonds, the gold, the chrome, the nickel, the copper, the quartz of this country. That and the rare earth minerals that were recently discovered in this country. He's the man who is presiding over those things. He's the man who oversees the budgets, how much he's in control of everything. Then you think you can buy the president. Kutukatengera president, watch. He's a father. The president that we have now is a little bit different from other presidents that you know. He is a father. And you know what a fatherly figure does. So, people must not overestimate themselves.
People must not overestimate themselves. hanzi munhu wese anotenderwa kusvika pana president asi haubvumirwi kuabusa that privilege yekuve pedyo kana kusvika pedyo na head of state. Ndokutaura kwaDeputy National Political Commissar Taurai anti-Gakanje Kandishaya vatishanyirawo mustudio vaine kutsutsumwa kwavari sepati yeZANU-PF pati iri kutonga. Pari zvinezve chasara ndechekuti ndionekere tarumbidzwa Rudhenya pamwe chete naKundai Shitate vaita kuti interview ine ive successful pano paSlyMedia TV. Tinobuda tichiti isusu zvatichaita ndezvo ticharamba tichidaidza Wicknell kuti auye azozvipindurira. Tanga tati auye agone kusangana na comrade Gaganje but anti-Gakanje but hazvina kunge zvaita saizvozvo, maybe because of short notice, but we give a platform to everyone because we continue to build bridges at SlyMedia TV. We are also on a promotion where we are saying come with your video advert and advertise on this platform, and you only pay $20 for your 30-second advert, which you will play once, and the minimum that we require will be for you to place 5 adverts, which is only $100. Zvinotibatsira kuti tirambe chikunzirai maprograms akafanana naiwayo. Nekudaro tikuti manyidzanai winter advertising promotion yatinayo pano paSlyMedia TV. Kana musina video advert yacho tinokwanisawo zvekare kukugadzirai $15 chete ye 30 seconds mubva matotanga kuto advertise. Comrade, tinokutendai nekuuya at short notice kuSlyMedia TV.
Totenda nekuti koka maita basa.
Kana mune dzimwe nyaya dzamunenge maona munotirangarira kuti
tiripo. But ndati ndisabude muno usina kundiudza kuti ndisazoite abuse
right
the name of the party.
Comrade, kana muchifamba kunze sevanhu vanosapota ZANU-PF vane zvigaro zvavakapuwa nekutendwa nevanhu mupati yeZANU-PF, chiregai kufamba muchiti hauna zvaunondiita nekuti inini ndiri mwana wa Mnangagwa, nekuti izvozvo zviri kukonzera kuti zita rapresident riitwe shame nekuda kwemabasa anenge akashata iwayo. Munhu zvimirire nemabasa ako, mabasa ako ozokupupurira. Tikakunzwa ndo zvamuri kuita chakudaidzai pano tobva takutongai nemutemo weningirikini we code of conduct yeparty.
Thank you so much.
Maita bas, thank you so much. There you are, viewers. Thank you so much for watching.
Welcome to Ideal Pavers, where we offer a wide range of landscaping bricks, including big hexagon, domestic interlock, domestic dog bone, industrial interlock, and cement bricks. For more info, contact us on our numbers provided or visit our offices today.
Raphael Signs, a specialist in designing, printing, signage, or vehicle branding, 3D signage and window branding, indoor and outdoor signs. For all your banner designs and print, contact us for a free quotation on the numbers on your screen, or email or visit us at 91 Livingstone, Corner 8th Street in Harare. Raphael Signs, our portfolio speaks for itself.